And friends, today we're going to be making this delicious and easy and quick recipe, vermicelli sweet. So we're going to start by peeling about 5 elaichis or cardammons, and we're going to make this into a very fine powder using a mortar and pestle. You can also do this in the blender or mixer. We're looking for a very fine powder. When you use fresh cardamom and elaichi, you get a lovely aroma as well as a lovely flavor to your dish. Now, the other ingredients also are they're like always there in our kitchen or our pantry. So here I'm going to be heating about 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter in a pan. Now we're just going to fry about 1/4 cup of cashew nuts till they're nice and golden brown. Once they are golden brown, we're just going to take them out and keep them aside. Now in the same ghee, we're going to be frying some dried raisins, also called kismis, again about 1/4 cup till they puff up a bit. And then again, we're going to take them out and keep them aside. Now in the same ghee, we are going to fry 1/2 cup of seviyan or vermicelli. And we're going to fry this till it's nice and dark golden brown in color. That's very important for this recipe, that you fry it on a low to medium heat till it becomes a nice golden brown color. Now we're going to take this out and keep this aside too. Now in the same pan, I'm going to heat about 1 cup of milk and bring it to a boil. And I'm going to be adding about 1/2 cup of sugar. You can add as per your taste. And then we're going to stir this mixture till all of the sugar dissolves completely. So now, once the entire sugar dissolves in the milk, we are going to add our fried vermicelli, and we're going to cook the vermicelli in this milk and sugar mixture. So once you add the vermicelli, you just keep stirring till the vermicelli gets nice and cooked. This dish gets ready very fast, very quickly, and it's so simple with very few ingredients. Now, once our vermicelli is a little cooked, we're going to add our elaichi powder or cardamom powder. We're also going to add our fried kismis and fried cashew nuts. And then we're just going to keep stirring this mixture till all of the milk evaporates and we get a nice thick vermicelli, a shira kind of consistency out of the vermicelli or the seviyan. So we're going to keep stirring till it all gets nicely cooked. And now once all of the milk has evaporated, it will look like this. And then all you have to do is just switch off the heat and you can serve this right away. It tastes delicious when it's hot, but you can also refrigerate it and serve it cold with a small dollop of ice cream at the side too. And that is it, friend. Your vermicelli sweet is all ready to eat. Isn't it super simple? I hope you try out this recipe. Do let me know in the comments box below how your recipe turned out. Now, keeping with the Navratri theme, I have put up one sweet recipe daily. So if you go to Akshata's recipe or to my link, which I will leave in my description box below, and click on it, you will see all the different recipes that I've been making during this lovely festival. So I started off on day 1 by making some lovely and super simple keshari shira. It is simply delicious and it is so easy to make. And this also gets ready very fast. On day 2, I made these very easy gulab jamun, with all ingredients available in our kitchen. Then I made this boplyatse garge, which is nothing but pumpkin puris, and they're super, super delicious. And then I made these lovely melt in the mouth chirotes. Then I made some lovely malpuas. Then I made some lovely kesar, elaichi, shrikhanda, which is also simple. And today's recipe is this lovely vermicelli sweet. And I also made some chocolate barfi. Hey everyone, and welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you give it a try, and if you liked it, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Akshata's Recipes by hitting the red subscribe button that you see just below this video. And once you have subscribed, click the bell so every time I put up a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!